Every day we wake up to noise. The world shouts, do more, be more, move faster. Notifications, opinions, expectations, all trying to shape who we are. But somewhere inside that chaos, there's a whisper, a quiet voice that says, this isn't you. We've learned to fear silence, because in silence we finally hear ourselves. And sometimes the truth hurts more than the noise ever did. But that's where the strongest souls are born, in the moments when the world goes quiet. And you find this every time when people walk away. When you text and no one replies. When your dreams sound too crazy for others to understand. You start to question your worth, your path, your place in this world. But loneliness isn't your enemy. It's the fire that burns away what doesn't belong. In the silence of being alone, you meet your true reflection. Not the version shaped by approval, but the one shaped by endurance. You realize the strongest souls are not. It reveals who you are when no one is watching. When you sit in a dark room with only your thoughts, you see your fears, your wounds, your dreams. You begin to understand that pain was never the punishment. It was the invitation. An invitation to grow, to rebuild, to rise without applause. The world teaches us to shout our success, but silence teaches us to build it, word by word. It's precise. It sharpens your mind, focuses your heart, and teaches patience. You stop chasing validation and start building value. You stop begging for attention and start commanding respect. The strongest people are not the loudest in the room. They're the ones who speak less but mean more, who walk quietly but shake the earth when they move. That's what silence does. It gives your soul strong, rooted. Because silence rebuilt you. It turned your pain into wisdom, your heartbreak into discipline, your loneliness into purpose. You'll realize you didn't lose anyone. You found yourself. You didn't walk away from the world, you walked toward your destiny. And when they ask, where did you go? You'll smile and say, I went where the noise couldn't follow, because the silence built my soul.